Hello friends, welcome back to our channel StudyDesk4U. Today I would like to introduce UI designing. But before we get started, let's have a look at agenda for today's session. So first we'll start with what is UI designing and why only UI designing and what are the salary trends for this UI designing and responsibilities as a UI designer, and finally I also included what are the courses to learn to become a UI designer. So let's begin with this video. So in this first one, what is UI designing? In this UI designing, we have few terms which are frequently heard. So those terms are, first one, web designing. The process or planning of how to do a web project is called as web designing. So this mainly includes the information, user interface, site structure, navigation, layout, colors, fonts and images, etc. All these are combined to create a website that meets the goal of both the client and the designer. So that's why this entire planning and creating of websites is called as web designing. And the next one, UI designing. Now what is UI designing? The UI in this UI design stands for user interface. The user interface is the graphical layout of an application. This includes screen layout, transitions, interface animations, and every single micro interaction. So these UI designers mainly focus on how the user interface looks. And the next one, UX designer. UX stands for user experience. A user's experience of the app is determined by how they interact with it. Mainly, we have UI and UX design. These two terms are both closely work together. Basically, a UX designer decides how the user interface works, while a UI designer decides how the user interface looks. So both are closely work together. This is a very collaborative process and the two design teams work together, and this is why most of the people get confused about the difference between these two terms. And the final one, graphic design. Graphic design is the process of visual communication and problem solving through the use of typography, photography, iconography and illustration. And these graphic designers create and combine symbols, images and text to form visual representations of ideas and messages. So these four terms we have heard mainly in designing part. So in this we are going to learn UI designing and why only UI designing. A good user interface is important because it can turn potential visitors to facilitate interactions between the user and the website. So we have some features to learn this UI designing. The first one is it is very easy to learn for beginners, and UI design has huge developer support in IT market and there is no prerequisites for this UI design. And finally, we have huge job offers for this UI designing in IT. And let's see what are the salary trends for this UI designing. Basically, an entry-level UI designer with less than 1 year experience can expect about 2 lakhs, and a UI designer with 4 years experience can expect 4 lakhs, and a mid-level designer with 5 to 9 years experience can expect 7 lakh and more. So that this is very useful to build their career. And what are the responsibilities as a UI designer? First one, gather and evaluate user requirements in collaboration, illustrate design ideas using storyboards, process flows and sitemaps, design graphic user interface elements like menus, tabs and widgets, build page navigation buttons and search fields, develop UI mockups and prototypes, create original graphic designs, prepare and present rough drafts to internal teams and key stakeholders, identify and troubleshoot UX problems, conduct layout adjustments based on user feedback, and finally, customize the styles on fonts, colors and images to change the look and feel of a web application or website. And finally, let's see what are the courses which is having in this UI designing. First one is HTML. This is the basic level course for UI or web designing, which is used to create static web pages. This 5 indicates the new version. And the next one is CSS. It is attribute based language, which is used to apply different styles for HTML documents or web pages, and CSS3 is the new version. And the next one is JavaScript. It is a scripting language which is used to create dynamic web pages. And jQuery, it is a JavaScript library which is used to simplify the JavaScript coding, and it is having some built-in functions. And the next one is Bootstrap. It is a CSS framework which is used to create responsive and more styled web pages. And the next one is JSON. It is JavaScript object notation which is used to transfer the data from client to server and server to client, vice versa. And the next one is AJAX, asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is used to partially load the web page. That is, we can load the data without loading the web page. And the next one is Angular. AngularJS, it is a JavaScript framework which is used to simplify the scripting work like validations, dynamic operations, etc. It is mainly used to create single page applications. So these are the courses, and finally we have to focus on template design as well as project and some interview questions. So all these are included in this UI designing. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions and suggestions, please mention in the comment section. For online and offline classes, visit our website www.fratelloinotech.com, and for more tutorials, visit our website www.kennisworld.com. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification, and please like, share and comment. Thank you.